classmates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This year has been full of new experiences and challenges, and we have all grown and learned so much along the way. On behalf of the teachers of Abiyankar School for School Year 2023-2024, we would like to thank our teachers for their patience, knowledge, and care that they shared with us. They taught us not only read and write, but also valuable lessons in life, such as kindness and faith. To our parents, thank you for your love and supporting us in our kindergarten journey. And most of all, to Almighty Father, for all the blessings of life, wisdom, and guidance, who give all things are made possible. Once again, thank you to everyone who made this year so special. Congratulations to all my fellow completers on a job well done.
Thank you, Rina Rose. At this point, Ma'am Mary Jill Villagrosa, our grade 2 advisor, will now introduce to